Make a great choice today with the 2024 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. Come take a test drive today.